How you doing today?
All right. How about you?
Good. Just speak up a little louder for me.
Okay.
Doing good?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Brandon.
Brandon?
Brandon Brooks. Yeah.
How old are you, Brandon?
34.
34? Where are you from?
A place called Coatesville.
Coatesville?
Yeah.
Okay. What brings you to Kensington?
I mean, pretty much the drugs, I guess you could say.
Just a little louder for me?
Pretty much just the drugs.
Okay. How long you been out here?
About 4 years now.
4 years? What type of drugs you been on?
Dope, crack, coke.
Dope? Is that your drug of choice?
Yeah, it's not my choice. It's more or less I need the shit now, but it started off like that, yeah.
Okay. How dangerous is it out here?
It's bad, man.
Bad?
Yeah.
What's the worst thing you've seen out here?
Man,
Be honest with us here. What you seen?
I mean, I've seen, the worst thing I ever seen probably was guy take another needle out of another guy's neck with his blood in it and shooting himself.
Oh, wow. You serious?
Yeah. It's probably one of the craziest things I've seen out here.
Oh, wow. Wow. Is there anything you would like to say to the viewers about Kensington, the good or the bad?
I mean, it's not much good about it, and it's not as bad as people make it think. Like, it's only bad if you put yourself in the mix or, you know, do some shit like steal from people, run off from people, you know, things like that. That shit will make it bad if you're down here. But for the most part, it's really not as bad as people make it seem.
Really?
The blocks are pretty much control themselves, police themselves. All this extra police shit is just unnecessary to me.
Does the police bother you guys down here?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah? Like every day or what?
Yeah, pretty much every day. It's been a lot worse lately.
Really?
Last couple of days, they've got fucking 3-4 cops walking around in groups. They got the cars going through every 5 minutes. So you can't lay down and be comfortable anywhere. So.
Do they question y'all or whatever? Or they just walk by you?
They usually just walk by, just make sure you have paraphernalia or drugs out. If you do, they just smash the shit on the ground and keep it going. But they don't really bother you. If you don't listen, I don't make eye contact with them or talk to them or just let them do their thing.
You just keep it moving,
Yeah,
right?
give them simple respect. That's all they want.
That's right. Everybody needs respect out here, right? How do you make your money out here?
Multiple things. I mean,
Would you like to elaborate?
Panhandling, mostly. Sometimes helping other people find drugs.
Gotcha.
Just little hustles like that.
Gotcha. Do you have family and friends out here?
No.
No family and friends at all?
Nope.
Just you, yourself, and that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Is there any drug that you have not tried?
I don't think so, no.
No? When is the last time you had a hot meal?
At least 5 or 6 days or so.
5 or 6 days?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a long time.
Chips and whatever they hand out at the parks. You know what I mean? Every now and then they come through with like little lunch packs with banana, cold sandwich, shit like that.
Oh, okay, so they have something going on here. How do you feel about the mayor stopping the needle exchange program?
Yeah, I think that was a bit much. They don't realize that the whole point of exchanging the needles is getting fresh needles for the people instead of them walking around reusing the same needles, picking up needles off the ground, using other people's needles. It was a way to prevent a lot of spread of disease, you know, so.
So the mayor stopping the needle exchange program can basically, give people HIV. It can be.
Yeah, it doesn't help. It's just, all it's going to do is make things worse, you know.
Gotcha.
Plus, it was a good way to get people to clean up needles off the ground, you know what I mean? They walk around, some of them pick up a couple hundred of them just to go exchange them. So at the end of the day, that helps too, you know.
Now, are we standing in Needle Park right now?
Yeah. At least that's what they call it.
Yeah. Is it still like that even though the mayor shut things down, or is there people, do you still see needles around here?
Not nearly as much because they kicked everybody out for the most part.
Do you see some?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
You guys want to register to vote by any chance?
Do you ever see yourself leaving Kensington?
In a casket, yeah.
In a casket?
Yeah.
Wow. Why do you say a casket?
Because I got nowhere to go. I mean, I'm pretty much going to be here until I die, I guess. I don't know.
Wow.
Don't really got shit to look forward to, I guess you could say.
Do they have resources out here for you guys?
They do, but it's kind of like a pick and choose basis, as far as I've noticed. The better off the people that have family and And people like resources themselves, those are the people that usually get the help. But people like me that have nobody to reach out to, no resources, no nothing, it's kind of like, whatever, just let him kill himself pretty much. That's what the vibe feels like.
Speaking of family, I know you say you don't have anyone out here, but I don't know if you have family anywhere else. Is there anything you would like to say to your family if they were to watch the video?
No, nothing really. I don't really have any family anyway. I'm adopted, and
You're adopted?
they've moved on with their life. My real parents are dead, so.
Oh, really? So the family that adopted you has not came down here to, or know where you're at? Do they know where you're at?
Yeah, they've moved on with their life. They don't care.
Okay, I want to thank you for your time. Is it okay if I can post this video on YouTube to raise awareness of the situation going on in Kensington?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, thank you very much. God bless.
Thank you, too.